Chapter 4. Mapping the Earth. You will learn globe and map, different types of maps, reading a map with key, uses of maps. Let's begin. Brother, me and my friends are going on a field trip to Rajasthan. That is great, Jay, but you should have something with you to show where you go in case you forget your way. Hmm. Oh yes, I have a globe. It shows all the places in the world. I will take that. No, Jay. What you need is a map. Only a map can show the details of small places or cities. And it is also very light and easy to carry. Teacher's note. Show the different types of maps to the children and elaborate about their distinct features. We have read in the previous chapter that a globe is a model of the earth. It spins just like the earth and presents us with most of the features present on the earth like oceans, seas, continents, countries, their capitals, etc. Since the ancient period, humans have been travelers. With the discovery of new lands and new places, man moved ahead and ahead in his search. At that time, the travelers and researchers carried maps along with them. They kept on tracing the new found lands and other aspects of the earth with hand on paper. But those maps were not accurate. Many of the travelers or sea voyagers also got lost due to the lack of accurate information. But with time, these maps became more accurate and made traveling and the exploration of new lands easier for humankind. Maps. Just like a globe, a map also is the physical representation of the different features of the earth. But a map is drawn on paper. A map is easier to carry and read. The globe shows all the earth, but a map could be of the world, a particular country, or a city. We can even represent the minute details on it. Therefore, travelers find their ways more conveniently using a map of the place they want to visit. Maps also provide us necessary information like the directions, routes, places of importance, travel distance, etc. Fact frame. The people who make maps are called cartographers. One of the first famous cartographer was Gerardus Mercator from Germany. Different types of maps. Maps are of different types and can be categorized as the following. Types of maps. Main features represented. Physical map. Geographical features of the earth like plains, mountains, forests, rivers, oceans, seas, etc. Political map. Division of countries, states, political boundaries, names of states and their capitals. Resource map. Natural resources found in a region, specific economic activities of different regions. Climate map. Climatic conditions of different or a particular area, rainfall, etc. Topographical map. Contour lines, shapes and elevation of an area. Sketch and plan. Simple directions to go from one place to another, representation of a particular small area or place. Special maps. Vegetation, drainage, coastline, roads, bridges, urban and rural areas, railway lines, etc. Features of a map. A standard map has the following features that enable us to read it properly in order to find the right directions and right places. Title. All the maps have a title or name to specify what kind of a map it is and what it is representing to us. For example, world map, map of major rivers, etc. Scale. A map has a scale that shows the area and the distance of the shown place as per the actual area and distance on the earth. For example, a scale could be 1:1000. It means that one part shown on the map represents the 1000 parts of the actual area on the earth. On the basis of scale, the maps can be of two types. Large-scale maps. These are the maps that represent a very large fraction of the Earth's surface. In such map, the distance of 100,000 cm on Earth's surface is represented by 1 cm. Buildings, local streets, etc. are represented by these maps. Small-scale maps. These are the maps that represent a very small fraction of the Earth's surface to show specific features. In these maps, 5 lakh centimeter is represented by 1 centimeter. Countries and their boundaries, national highways, etc. are represented on these maps. Directions. A map has the directions shown on the upper left-hand side corner. This is to provide us right directions and actual location of a particular place or area. The cardinal directions shown are east, west, north and south. The ordinal directions are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. The ordinal directions lie between the cardinal directions. Legends and symbols. A map contains legends and symbols as well, which help us to read the map properly. The symbols shown on a map may include the capital cities, rivers, roads, forests, etc. Color on particular symbol are also used to represent things such as water is represented by blue color, plains are represented by green and mountains are marked by brown color. A map may put stars wherever some important places are to be indicated. This is why the maps also have keys or legends. A key or legend is a box that lists the symbols that are used on a map. It also explains what each symbol means. Uses of a map. The following are the uses of maps. Large areas of the earth could be studied without actually going there. They give us the exact idea of almost all the features of any area. It is easier to explain the area, location, terrain, etc. on a map. We can reach any specific destination on our own by reading the map. They are easy to carry and follow. Distance from one place to another can be judged accurately. In ancient times, travelers and scientists tried to find out the actual length and breadth of the earth by using some ancient tools and measures that led to the development of modern-day technologies. Let us study about some of the ancient tools. Astrolabe. This instrument was invented in the 2nd century BCE by the Greeks. It was used to measure latitudes by calculating the altitude of the stars and planets. It was used till 1500s. Cross staff. This instrument was popular in navigation as it made the calculations of latitude very easy for the sailors. Sextant. This instrument was invented in the year 1731 by an Englishman named John Hadley. It was a very convenient instrument that was used in the calculation of latitudes and distance from the equator. Magnetic compass. A magnetic compass has been one of the most important inventions in the field of explorative science that is still used till the present day. The magnetic compass works on the principle of the Earth's magnetic field and it is very accurate in telling the directions. The needle of the compass always points towards north. Recall. Just like a globe, a map also is the physical representation of the different features of the Earth. Maps are of various types such as political, physical, climatic, etc. A standard map has the following features: title, scale, directions, legends, and symbols. A. Take the